Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse. Today what I'd like to show you is how to remove the extended neckline. Not every wig has what's called an extended neckline, and that's that little flap that they have down here. And usually they have a little bit of a wire in them, and that's so that you can actually form it to your neck, your nape. Anyway, but for some gals that have a real short neckline, or don't have much of a neckline, that actually can push your wig up when they would just tip their head a little bit. It'll help push your wig off. So that's one reason you'll get rid of an extended neckline. So, and all you do is you just follow through. You make sure you do not catch any hair from underneath, which is pretty easy to do. And you can tell that that's just strictly elastic I've got. I hate to use these nice Gingler scissors on this because this has a wire through it, but I will. In my opinion, these are really the better scissors for working on wigs. They, they're always sharp. They stay sharper longer than any of the hair scissors I've ever used. So when you're done removing this, it's a simple process, and it's going to make it probably more comfortable for you. And you can see it's just strictly taking off, does not affect the hair length because that's a certain length, and you're just taking off that little neckline. And so there. So there, then you have, and some wigs are actually built like that with no extended neckline. But, each style has their own take on how they want to produce the inside. So that's how you make and get rid of an extended neckline to make it so it's not riding up on you. Thank you so much for watching.